Estuve, estaba.
What's the difference? Both mean I was. But they're not the same. Let's break it down.
Estuve.
The preterite tense. It means the action started and ended in the past. You use it when talking about a completed action with a clear time frame. Something that happened and ended. A specific event or experience. For example,
Estuve en Madrid por una semana.
I was in Madrid for 1 week.
Estuve enfermo por 2 días.
I was sick for 2 days.
Estaba.
The imperfect tense. It means the action was ongoing, habitual, or background in the past. You use it when talking about a description of a past state or situation. An action in progress in the past. Feelings, emotions, or conditions that lasted for a while. For example,
Estaba en casa cuando llamaste.
I was at home when you called.
Cuando era niño, estaba muy feliz.
When I was a child, I was very happy. Still not sure. Ask. Is this something that happened and ended?
Estuve.
Is this something that was going on or setting the stage?
Estaba.
Keep practicing. Context is everything.